Hey guys, in this video, let's discuss virtual directory in Azure blob storage. So in simple words, let's discuss how we can add the blobs or how we can arrange the blobs in directory structure as shown in this screenshot. So in Azure storage, we can create something called virtual directory in a container. So guys, this is not an actual directory, but it helps us to organize the blobs as if they are in directory. I know it might be a little confusing, so let's actually see it in action. So again guys, we are in Azure and let's open our storage account. And here under data storage, let's go to containers. Let's open our container, that is my container. And guys, can you see this? We have added this blob, that is this image, directly inside this container. But what if we want to add this blob, that is this image, within a directory in this container? So yes, we can do it, and we can do it right when we upload the blob. Let's actually try it. So I will click on this upload. Let's say browse. And now guys, I will upload this second blob, that is car2 image. I'll say open. And guys, can you see this advanced? So let's expand this. Let's go down. And guys, can you see this? It says upload to folder. So we need to provide the folder name, that is directory name under which we want to upload this blob. And again guys, this is not going to be an actual directory, but it will be just a virtual directory. So here I will say vehicles and I will say upload. So blob has been successfully uploaded. And guys, can you see this? We can see this folder, that is vehicles. So let's click on it. And under that we can see this blob, that is image car2. So let's click on it. But guys, observe this name, and the name is vehicles/car2.jpg. So now that is the actual name of this blob. So again, as you can guess, this vehicles, it is not a directory or it is not a folder, but it becomes the part of the name of this blob itself. Right? Now let's actually close this. And let's go back to our container again. And now let's open this virtual directory, that is vehicles. And now under this virtual directory, let me try to upload another blob. So I will say upload, browse. And guys, now I will upload this blob, that is car1.jpg. And now guys, we are already in this vehicles directory. So under advanced, I am not going to specify this upload to folder name, right? So let's keep it default and I will say upload. And now guys, can you see this? Under my container, under vehicles. So again, vehicles, it is our virtual directory. We can see two blobs. And now let's open this blob which we just uploaded, that is car1. And again you see the name, and it is vehicles/car1.jpg. So like this, we can organize or arrange our blobs in directories. So that's it guys. Thanks for listening.